In a bustling city, the third parking plaza was home to two gleaming sports cars. One a striking blue, the other a vibrant light green. They were parked opposite to each other, their polished exteriors catching the glow of the setting sun. Each car exuded its own unique charm. But today, their glossy finishes weren't the only things that sparkled. They had a shared ambition. Before the race, the light green car decided it was time for a touch-up. With a gleam in its headlights, it smoothly descended to the ground floor of the parking plaza, where a high-tech wash station awaited. As the light green car underwent a thorough cleaning, it was pampered with soap and water, its sleek body emerging even shinier and more radiant. Refreshed and rejuvenated, the light green car ascended back to the third floor via the elevator. It reappeared, its vibrant color sparkling even more brightly under the plaza's lights. The blue car admired its rival's pristine condition, nodding in appreciation. The two cars now lined up side by side, engines purring with anticipation. The blue car's deep azure hue seemed to pulse with excitement, while the light green car's finish shimmered with newfound brilliance. They were ready to put their speed to the test. 1, 2, 3, and go! The race was underway. Tires screeched as both cars launched into action, their engines roaring as they sped off in a burst of color and sound. In a thrilling finish, the light green car edged out the blue car by a narrow margin. Cheers erupted from the crowd, and the light green car basked in its victory. "Yeah!" echoed through the plaza, celebrating the triumph of the light green car.